This is Eddie with Multi-Man Services in Janesville, Wisconsin today. We're in the process of doing a deck wash in preparation for a party. So our homeowners were nice enough to take off the furniture before the deck clean. We're just going to put it back up there for them. This is a nice composite deck, nice vinyl railings. So the last thing that we want to do is use high pressure to wash this down. So what we do is do like a gentle detergent clean. We spray an algicide, it breaks down the mold, the algae. And after we spray that on there, let it dwell, then we'll rinse it down with like 9 gallons a minute instead of 3,500 psi. So it's a very safe, gentle wash process. Flip the camera around here. I'll show you. We washed the entire deck with this. So we can put our hands in front of all these tips. Very safe and effective. Here, Aiden, come over here. Put your hand in front of that tip. So we don't have to worry about any damage. Thank you. So if you're a homeowner in the Janesville, Madison, Rockford, Lake Geneva, Fontana, Williams Bay area, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll take good care of you and get you washed up in no time at all. My name is Eddie. Owner-operator, and this is our passion. This is all we do. We do siding cleaning, gutter screen installation, roof cleaning, roof conditioning, outdoor. We do outdoor window cleaning. So hey, thanks for watching this video. If you know of anybody that could benefit from these services, please share this video. And right now we're washing off our footprints on this deck because, of course, after you put the furniture up there, it gets dirty again. Take care, guys. Thank you. Bye.